Welcome to BharatERP. Here you will receive all the technical information related to BharatERP Billing Software. Today I will guide you on how to install BharatERP Billing Software on your computer. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox or whatever you prefer. Step 2. Type bharaterp.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to the main source. Step 3. Find the big and clear download button on the home page and click on it. Step 4. A form will appear on your computer screen. There you need to fill in your contact information. Don't forget to enter a valid WhatsApp number. It is important for support and updates. After filling up the form, click on the Submit button. Step 5. Once you click Submit, the download will start automatically. You will see bharaterp.exe in your download folder. Step 6. Now double-click on the bharaterp.exe file and then click on the Run Anyway button. Step 7. After the installation is completed, you will see a Create New Account option. Click on it. Step 8. Now you need to fill in the necessary information to register your account and then click on the Register button. Step 9. Now it's time to set your company profile. Fill in the required information and click the Register button once again. And you are done. All the steps have been completed and you have successfully installed BharatERP Billing Software on your computer. And with that, this tutorial comes to an end. If you have any doubt or question related to BharatERP, then let us know in the comment section. Thank you.